Hi, I'm DJ Ware. On this episode of the Cyber Gizmo, I want to jump into a product that was sent to me by Elecro. And I want to talk about it. This is it right here. It is a Raspberry Pi Pico kit. It's the advanced kit. This particular one includes a Raspberry Pi Pico, but you can order this without it. There are 32 projects in here that allow you to get started in learning how to program home automation systems or weather systems, even just working with electronics and building lighting projects if you want. But we're gonna take a look at this more in depth. Have you ever pondered how these minuscule Pico and Nano computers are revolutionizing the electronic projects? These tiny powerhouses are a testament to the adage that good things come in small packages. In the realm of electronics, Pico and Nano computers are compact, yet potent brains behind many innovative projects. They're designed to be diminutive. These computers still pack a punch, though, and they're capable of performing complex tasks while occupying minimal amount of space. They are the driving force in a diverse to the convenience of smart home devices. Imagine your home responding to your voice commands. It's all possible due to these tiny computers, which, despite their size, have the power to compute, process, and execute commands at lightning speeds. So now that you know what these tiny computers can do, you must be wondering how exactly that they're used to create electronic projects. Creating electronic projects with Pico and Nano computers might seem like a daunting task, but hey, don't worry. It's actually quite straightforward. Let's delve in a little bit. The first step for makers is to decide on the purpose of their project. This could range from creating a simple LED light show to building a complex weather station or even a miniature robot. The project's purpose will largely dictate the kind of Pico or Nano computer needed. Once the project goal is clear, you can then select the right computer for the job. Pico computers, such as the Raspberry Pi Pico, are perfect for smaller, less complex projects due to their size and affordability. On the other hand, Nano computers like the Raspberry Pi Zero, with their increased processing power and a greater range of features, are better suited to more complex projects. After the selection comes the programming phase. This is where you sit and write code, often using languages such as Python or MicroPython or C++ to control the computer's functions. If you're still wondering, why go through all this trouble? Why bother? Pico and Nano computers are definitely changing things in the realm of electronics. The compactness and efficiency are paving the way for innovation and intricate electronic projects. It's a world where computers are no larger than your fingertip. They're a pocket-sized device that can perform tasks traditionally reserved for more bulky machines. That's really what we're stepping into. It's not about size and efficiency. These Pico computers and Nano computers are making technology more accessible, more affordable, and they're breaking down barriers that allow us, both the enthusiasts in us and the novice in us, to dip your toe into the world of electronics without breaking the bank. These tiny computers are not just gadgets. They're powerful tools that can reshape the electronic world. Let's detour a bit and go to the next step, which is the realm of makers' fairs. So what exactly is a makers' fair? These are spectacular showcases where creative minds, makers, artists, and so forth exhibit their electronic project. And remember those tiny computers we've been talking about? Well, Pico and Nano computers are at the heart of many of those innovative creations. You'll find miniature robots or intricate light displays. These tiny computers are powering a world of creativity. So if you're looking for a deep dive into the world of Pico and Nano computers, don't miss out on a chance to attend a Maker's Faire. These fairs are not just about show and tell. They're also about sharing knowledge, sparking inspiration, and fostering a community of makers that can talk to one another, compare notes, find out how each of them have done something. So grab your calendar and mark a date for the next Markers Faire. You know, you might just stumble on your next big project. So at the beginning of the video, I said that I would show you how to get one of these for yourself. If you go out to their website, I'll put a link below as to where you can find this kit for the Raspberry Pi Pico Advanced Kit. You can purchase this, as I had said, with or without a Raspberry Pi Pico. If you already got one, then just use that. But if you don't, you can select either with the Raspberry Pi Pico or with the Raspberry Pi Pico W. So that's up to you how you want to do it, or you can buy it without it. So yeah, and the other option is that you can also include the basic starter kit. Now that one is the one that follows the Raspberry Pi Pico project book. So if you get that from the Raspberry Pi Foundation, they actually have a kit put together that allows you to do all of those experiments as well. So yeah, and you know the base price on this is $37 or about $38 US, but right now they're running a Christmas promotion. So yeah, you can save that, and there is a coupon code that I also will include below to help you do that as well. So but that's all I have, and I wish you happy holidays and a Merry Christmas to all of you, and also Happy New Year. So with that, see you after the start of the new year. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.